Oh, he feels really weird. Let's do the... He feels really weird. Oh, he's so cute. That was a bad idea, wasn't it? Hi guys, so for tonight's video we're going to be taking a look at October's Lush Kitchen box. Mine has come in today and I'm very excited. Now this one was slightly controversial, wasn't it? Not everybody was very hyped with the October one. Me personally, I love the vibe. I think it was fabulous. It's like a wizardy, witchy, spellbooky type vibe, and I'm all over that, I won't lie. So I'm very excited for this one. And I mean, if you weren't excited for it and you just want to have a look what's in it, then I have it here to show you, so yay. Also, if you guys haven't seen some of my posts as well, the free gift that you get if you shop through my affiliate link has been updated. So you get a free Lord of Misrule shower gel, guys. I think these free gifts are getting better and better, I'm not gonna lie. So same principles as last time, you have to be UK. I'm ever so sorry if you're international. I wish it was international, fingers crossed for the future. Over 18, UK, your order has to be £15 or over. So as long as you spend £15, you'll get the free Lord of Misrule put in your parcel for you. It won't show up in the basket or anything like that. It will just be in the box. Also, if you guys do place an order, I absolutely do not mind you messaging me your order number for me to check that it's gone through, because I don't want any of you to like miss out or anything. So if you want to ask me to check it, I can check it just for your peace of mind. I don't mind. So let's open this up. This has come in a very different box this month. Is anyone else's like this? It's just come in a plain box. When it said my order had been delivered, I looked and I thought, oh, is it not my Lush Kitchen box? But it is. I don't know if this is new to save on packaging, because it makes more sense. I mean, it's just in there like that. There's no packing peanuts or anything around it, which makes it less messy as well. This looks beautiful. I love this packaging. One thing I will say is I have a feeling like if they hadn't have posted that photo that they did, if they'd done the photos properly like they usually do when they put it obviously on the Lush Kitchen, oh my god, this smells insane, when they put it on the Lush Kitchen page, that people may have been more interested. I think it was that photo of it just not placed very nicely in the box. It was just a bit random. I think that put a lot of people off, but I like the look of it, so I'm excited. This is the box. Potions and galaxies and fun groovy stuff on there. Let's open her up. Ooh, this is great. I'll just show you what that's like there and then we'll dig in. Something smells wonderful in here. I can see the fog. What should we start with? Let's start with this. Right, oh, is it a notepad? Okay, so you have I'm really excited for this one, I'm sorry, I am. You have your product list as usual to show you all the info and the ingredients and stuff. Oh, it is a notepad. I love this. So this, when it was advertised, I thought it was a little spell book to make like potions out of what you had. But it's not, it's just a little notepad, which I think is precious. Oh, you have different things on all the pages. Can you see the top there? Snake, bat, cauldron, frog. Oh, that's precious. I love that. I love a notepad. I bloody love a notepad. I forgot, let's open the inside of this. You've got your info card there. When you open up the slip, it says, retreat to your sanctuary, light your burning rosemary incense and brew up some lush magic with this month's collection of curiosities. Then it says some other stuff, but that says all the things, so I'm not going to read that out. Let's start off with, I'll start off with the shower gel. That's gorgeous. So that's what the labels are like. A lovely little sparkly dotty pattern. You've got your cauldron on there. I can't remember what scent this was. It's going to annoy me if I don't know them. I'm going to have to find out the scents. Hang on, I need to get my phone. So the shower gel is Prince of Darkness scented. So ingredients wise in this, we've got oat moss, sea salt, labdanum, patchouli, benzoin, lavender oil. Yes, Prince of Darkness is a lavendery type scent, isn't it? But it's got a bit more to it from what I remember. The colour on it's awesome. It looks like it's, is it meant to be two-tone? It looks like a limey yellowy colour and then like pure green on the bottom. But it's that lovely iridescent, ever so shiny concoction we get. Oh, it's gorgeous. Look at that. Love it. I think the last thing Prince of Darkness scented we had was a solid perfume. And I just don't use solid perfume, so I wasn't a fan, but it did smell good. Oh, look at the colour. That's ever so special. Beautiful. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, wow. What is that reminding me of? It's reminding me of like an Epsom bath salt, like a lavender one, but you know when it's got a bit more in it, it's a bit more jazzy. Probably the patchouli, isn't it? That's sensational. Very strong as well, I will say. Oh, that's gonna be gorgeous. The most relaxing lavender little experience. Let's do this bath bomb, shall we? This is the Magic Bath Bomb, I do believe. Yes. Little what is this, a hectagon? Well done, I can't remember. It's got a little eye on the front, and if I remember correctly, this has a turn of colour in the middle, I think. We've got rose in here, marjoram oil, citric acid, peppermint, parsley sprig. Ah, yes. This was in my refillable advent calendar last year, and it does smell, yeah, it's ever so bizarre. It's all right, but it's bizarre. You can really smell the parsley in it, like really. You can smell the mint, but it is very parsley heavy. If you in the UK, I'm assuming you have it in other countries, you have parsley sauce that you put on like fish and stuff. Kind of reminds me of that. But with some mint. It's not awful, but it wouldn't be my go-to scent, I tell you. I'm excited to use that though, because I think my one I had in my refillable advent calendar had been in there a bit too long, because I'd opened them to show you guys the calendar and then closed it back up for Christmas, and I think it just deteriorated a little bit, so it didn't perform very well. But I'm hoping this one is going to be a lot better because it's fresher, you know? That's very fresh. So unusual. I'm excited to use that though. They probably will complement each other quite well, to be fair. Oh, he feels really weird. Let's do the... He feels really weird. I think it's because he's a frog shape. Let's do the frog. Oh, he's ever so creepy, isn't he? Why is this willying me out? We've got the frog. So he's a shower gummy, so they're like a relative of the shower jelly, I'd say, but they're a lot firmer, you know? Oh, he's gorgeous. Oh, he's Aura Suave scented. I could have sworn I didn't like that scent, but that's delightful. Again, minty. This has a running theme, but I don't mind it. That's really nice. It's just sort of like a spearmint and peppermint scent mixed together. Very fresh, not too pungent and in your face, but just enough, I think. I'm in love with that, I won't lie. He's creeping me out a bit less now. Fantastic. I'm so excited, isn't he gorgeous? Look at him. I believe it's the same mould as they have for the tree, is it Tree Hugger shower jelly that they have in the Tricks line? Is that line still available? I don't know. I think it is. It looks to be that mould, but a bit larger. Let me just see what the ingredients are in there. Oh yeah, there we go. So fresh mint infusion, clary sage, coriander, geranium, spearmint. Oh, there we go. So he's a minty concoction with a little bit of extra in there. He's gorgeous. I'm vibing with this box, I won't lie. Let's try and F it up a bit, shall we? Because I don't know if I'm gonna like this, but I'm hoping I do. From what I've heard, so we've got the incense. I've heard people say this is like, I think they said cigarette butts. I can't quite remember. Incense is quite pungent though, but we'll give it a go ourselves. This is the burning rosemary incense. Comes in the metal tin as per usual. Hopefully I can get this open. I do tend to have issues with these tins. Oh, for fuck's sake. I find these ever so difficult to open. My hands don't work properly anyway as it is. And then like sand gets jammed in the rim. I have to go downstairs and get my partner to open it. When you see what we've had to do. Right, so my partner's ever so muscly and strong, and he couldn't get it open. This design, the sand jams in the rim and it just doesn't open. We've had to tin open it. No, wow, he's used a knife to open it for me. I mean, it's not ideal, but it does the job. So you have sand in there with 2 cones. It's nice. If you don't like a smoky scent, you won't like it, but incense to me is quite pokey anyway, so I don't mind it at all. It is just what incense is essentially. It is just quite smoky. I don't mind it at all. So we have cedarwood, rosemary, benzoin gunpowder, olibanum, lavender, rosemary oil, lavender oil. There's loads in there. I'm excited for that. I'm glad, well, we got it open one way or another, didn't we? It's definitely still the same design, isn't it? I'm gonna have to send them a message because it's just not the vibe, is it? Having to tin open it. These last 3 are very exciting. I'm excited for these. Let's do the bubble bar. Oh, he's so cute. We've got the Wizard bubble bar, and he's been about before quite a few times, I think, but I don't know if I've tried him. I think I might have when I was younger, but not like when it was most recently out. He looks like this. I just think he's an absolute little gentleman. He's a vibe. He's got stars all over him. He's got a star in his head. He's got eyes. He's iridescent and sparkly. He smells the same as, which one was the parsley one? He smells the same as this. They smell quite similar. Let me see. It's meant to be fennel, juniper berry and tangerine. Why can I smell parsley again? I'm so confused. It might just be because it's been in that box rattling around together. We've got in him, he has ylang ylang, fennel, tangerine, juniper berry, gardenia. That might be adding to the smell. Oh shit, I've knocked his top off. I'm not sure on that yet. I'm gonna sniff him again at the end. I'm gonna put him away from that. We'll try him again at the end. Next, let's do the Toil and Trouble scrub. Obviously we didn't have Toil and Trouble this year for Halloween, which was ever so sad. This scrub was out, they didn't bring it out last year, they replaced it with a slime. It was out the year before, so we have it in the kitchen box and I'm ever so happy about that. So let's give it a go. I think a lot of people wanted this, even if they weren't keen on the box, but they were like, I can't justify buying a whole box just for a Toil and Trouble scrub, and I totally get it. I mean, look out on Vinted, although I don't know how many people will be selling them because it's quite a good product. Oh, it's literally the same. It's got the bat and everything. So cute. So you've got your sea salt scrub. So it's the sloppy scrub, the same. And then you've got a jelly bat there. Let me get him out for you. Is that focusing? I can't actually see. There's the jelly bat. Oh, crikey. Oh, it's insane in the brain. This was a bad idea, wasn't it? Toil and Trouble is just insane. I'm assuming it's called that because it's what I would envision a witch's potion smelling like, with like a sweet witch's potion. It's just delish. In it we have lavender flower infusion, peppermint leaf infusion, patchouli, labdanum, orris, sage. Just sensational. I'm sure a lot of us know what it smells like anyway. It's quite a hard one to describe, but it's ever so gorgeous. It's the Halloween scent. Along with Lord of Misrule, this to me is the Halloween scent. So it's, did we have it in anything? I can't actually remember. It might have been in a bath bomb or something. I can't remember. Last thing we have. I'm excited for this. Very, very excited. This is Serpent Potion Body Butter. How stunning is that? It's a potion bottle similar to, is it the Magic Potion that's out? Is it for Christmas? I can't remember. Some years it's been out before. It's that same shape and then it's got a serpent around it. So fantastic. What scent is this? It is potion scented. Well, I never. Ooh. Something's happened in this box. Like, not happened, but they're rubbing off on each other. These and that other bath bomb smell similar. Oh, okay, this one's toned down now. I can smell the orange in that more. It's sort of got an edge of like calmer a little bit, and then a bit berryish. Oh my god, I fucking broke him again. What is wrong with me? I'm just busting him up. Oh, get your wig back on, mate. Interesting. I can still smell a bit of parsley in there. Just got parsley nostril. Oh, okay. The smell of this is coming through more. This is nice. This is a tiny bit floral. I can smell the butters in there, like creamy. What's in it? It's melting in my hands, a good one, I will say. Cocoa butter, Lippe butters, argan oil, coconut shell, ground almonds, rosehip oil, carnation absolute, and rose absolute, and tangerine oil. Okie dokie, so it is a floral number. To be honest, I couldn't remember what potion smelled like. I know the bath bomb the other year, they changed it to yognog, didn't they, scented, but that's nice, I'm excited for that. Ooh, ooh, let's give it a go. I mean, you use this in the shower and it has exfoliating bits in, but I use them on my dry skin sometimes because they're really nice. Okay, that's floral. But it's a nice floral. It's quite mild, it's not too in your face. I like. Oh, I can smell the rose a bit more. I really quite like that box, I will say. It's exactly what I wanted. It's witchy and it's a vibe. I have favourites. This, of course, this, and this. Surprisingly, I mean, I haven't tried him yet, but I think he's going to be great. Shame about this. I do like the scent. It is very smoky though, but I don't know. I'll probably email them about that. Should I? Yeah, probably. It's not cool that you can't open it, is it, really? And this isn't the first time it's happened to me. It's happened before, and I wasn't as clever enough to think what my partner thought and open it with a knife. So that other one just completely went to waste, sadly. But we've knifed that one open, so. Right, I'm gonna head out because I've made this 30 minutes long. Did you guys get this month's box? If so, are you a fan of it? If you didn't get it, do you regret not getting it? Or what? Just talk to me. I like talking to you guys, it's fun. I love you all immensely, and I'll see you soon. Bye.